Now, no doubt you could tell from Lord of the Rings Online, if I had continued to kill wargs over and over and over again, it would be something that you might refer to as grinding. That is, whether it's experience points I'm after or whether there's a particular pelt or a hide from the wolves that I'm trying to get, there is the capacity within these games, just as there is within the Homeric Iliad, to just go on and go on and go on with the repetitive slaying. Now that, I want to suggest, is a key dynamic of interactive storytelling, whether we're talking about Homer or we're talking about Club Penguin or Lord of the Rings Online. And so what I want to show now is a kind of transferred form of grinding that doesn't involve repetitive slaying, but nonetheless illustrates exactly the same dynamic, which is doing something that's fun over and over and over again. And I'm obviously suggesting that the warriors of Homer's time and the warrior wannabes listening to the bards found it fun to listen to these repetitive descriptions of gory deaths in battle. And given the way that action movies are even today, given gladiatorial combat in ancient Rome, I think it's a little bit hard to argue that that's not the kind of thing that large segments, especially, of course, of the masculine population, find appealing. But the nice thing about it, at least, is you can also do it this way. So I'm now in the coffee shop here in Club Penguin, and I'm going to ask for a job, which is called playing beans. And it's not easy, but it is repetitive. Yay, I unloaded the truck. That's 2 trucks. You'd think maybe you were supposed to get the fish, but no. Uh-oh. Down to my last life now. Well, I earned 90 coins though, there you go. So that's what I'm grinding for. I'm grinding for the coins, just as in Lord of the Rings Online I was grinding for the experience. And obviously, if I get a lot of experience, I level up, I become a more excellent warrior. If I get a lot of coins in Club Penguin, I can buy things. And I can buy a better igloo, which of course, within many ways of measuring success in our society, is a way of being a more excellent penguin or a more excellent person. Now, obviously, we want very quickly to think about the sorts of values that this teaches, but we are a consumer society, and perhaps it just reflects our rampant consumerism for good or for ill. Now, I won't subject you to watching me do that again, but I could do it all day. It's a fun game. It's a nice grind, and if I did it enough, I might be able to earn the igloo of my dreams. So what's the takeaway? The takeaway is that the Aristeia doesn't have to be about